Do you grapple with blemishes and dark spots? Does it seem like no matter what you do, they remain stubbornly visible? Well, worry no more. This video will guide you through a simple step-by-step process to effectively cover up those pesky imperfections, leaving you with a flawless finish. Step 1. Prep your skin. Start by cleansing your face. This removes dirt and oils, which can interfere with makeup application. Follow up with a good moisturizer, which helps to hydrate your skin, making it a perfect canvas for makeup. Step 2. Apply a color corrector. This step might seem a bit unusual, but it's crucial for covering up dark spots and blemishes. Green correctors neutralize redness, while peach or orange tones are great for dark spots. Apply the corrector precisely over the area you want to conceal. Step 3. Blend it out. Use a makeup sponge or your fingertips to gently blend the color corrector into your skin. This step ensures that the corrector seamlessly blends into your skin tone, setting the stage for the next layer of makeup. Step 4. Apply a concealer. Choose a concealer that matches your skin tone. Apply it over the color-corrected areas. The concealer's job is to blend with your skin tone and further mask the blemish or dark spot. Step 5. Blend the concealer. Again, use a makeup sponge or your fingertips to blend the concealer into your skin. The aim is to make the concealer and color corrector appear as one with your skin. Step 6. Set your makeup. To ensure your makeup stays put all day, finish with a setting powder or spray. This step locks in your makeup, preventing it from smudging or fading throughout the day. And that's it! 6 simple steps to covering up blemishes and dark spots. Remember, the key is to prep your skin, use a color corrector, apply and blend a matching concealer, and then set your makeup. In this video, you learned the importance of prepping your skin before makeup application. You discovered the magic of color correctors in neutralizing the colors of blemishes and dark spots. You also learned how a concealer can help to blend these corrected areas into your skin tone. And finally, you learned the importance of setting your makeup to ensure it stays flawless all day. Blemishes and dark spots can be a source of insecurity for many. But with these simple steps, you can confidently cover them up, revealing a flawless complexion. Remember, makeup is a powerful tool that, when used correctly, can enhance your natural beauty and boost your confidence. So go ahead, embrace your beauty, blemishes, dark spots and all. After all, they're part of what makes you, you.